Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something important. Something we use every single day, money. Whether you are traveling, working in business, or just going shopping, you need to know the right words to talk about money in English. In this lesson, we are going to look at 16 essential words. We will cover the difference between salary and wage, price and cost, and helpful verbs like deposit and withdraw. I will give you the definition, and then we will practice 5 example sentences for each word. I want you to listen to me, and then repeat the sentence out loud. Let's get started. First word, money. This is the general name for what we use to buy things. Listen and repeat these examples. I do not have any money in my pocket. She saves her money in a box. Money cannot buy happiness. How much money do you need? Money is necessary to buy food. Next word, cash. Cash is physical money, paper, or metal, not a credit card. Listen and repeat these examples. This store only accepts cash. Do you have cash or credit? He keeps a lot of cash in his wallet. Paying in cash is sometimes faster. I need to go to the bank to get some cash. Next word, coin. A coin is money made of metal. Listen and repeat these examples. I have a gold coin. The coin rolled under the table. He collects coins from different countries. This coin is very old. Put a coin in the machine. Next, let's talk about paper money. This is important because the word changes depending on where you are. In the USA, we call it a bill. In the UK, they call it a note. Listen and repeat these examples. Can you change a $100 bill? The bill is torn. They might not accept it. Please give me small bills. He dropped a $20 bill. I have a £5 note. Now, let's look at the verbs. First, buy. To buy means to get something by giving money. Listen and repeat these examples. I want to buy a new car. They bought a house last year. Money can buy many things. Where can I buy a ticket? She buys bread every morning. The opposite is sell. To sell means to give something and take money for it. Listen and repeat these examples. He wants to sell his old phone. They sell fresh fruit at the market. The store sells clothes for children. She sold her bicycle to her friend. Do you sell batteries here? Next, let's look at price versus cost. This refers to the amount of money you pay for something. Listen and repeat these examples. What is the price of this jacket? How much does it cost? We can lower the cost by cooking at home. The price tag is missing. The cost of living is high in Dubai. Now, how do we describe the price? If it is high, it is expensive. Listen and repeat these examples. Cars are very expensive in this country. Is this watch expensive? That is too expensive for me. Education can be expensive, but it is important. I cannot afford an expensive restaurant. If the price is low, it is cheap. Listen and repeat these examples. This shirt is very cheap. Bananas are cheap today. Cheap products sometimes break easily. It is cheaper to take the bus than a taxi. I am looking for a cheap hotel. When you finish shopping, you must pay. This is the verb for giving the money. Listen and repeat these examples. Where do I pay? I need to pay the electricity bill. I need to pay for dinner. He paid for the dinner. You can pay by card or cash. If you pay with cash and give too much, the money you get back is called change. Listen and repeat these examples. Here is your change. Count your change before you leave. The machine does not give change. Keep the change. Do you have change for a 20? Now let's move to business English and work. First word, salary. A salary is fixed money you get every month, usually for office jobs. Listen and repeat these examples. She receives a monthly salary. They are negotiating their salaries. An annual salary of $50,000. My salary is deposited in the bank. The manager has a high salary. However, for manual jobs or hourly work, we use the word wage. Listen and repeat these examples. The minimum wage is rising. Factory workers often receive weekly wages. Wages are lower in this sector. Unpaid wages are a legal issue. He earns an hourly wage of $15. Finally, let's go to the bank. Your place in the bank is your account. Listen and repeat these examples. I want to open a bank account. Checking account and savings account. You can access your account online. He closed his account yesterday. What is your account number? When you put money into the account, you deposit. Listen and repeat these examples. I need to deposit this cash. You must pay a security deposit for the apartment. Direct deposit is faster. Can I deposit a check at the ATM? The deposit was successful. And when you take money out, you withdraw. Listen and repeat these examples. I want to withdraw $100. He withdrew money from the ATM. She withdraws cash every Friday. There is a fee to withdraw money here. You cannot withdraw more than your balance. Great job! That was a lot of vocabulary, but these are words you will use every day. I recommend watching this video again and practicing your pronunciation to memorize these terms. What is the price of a cup of coffee in your country? Let me know in the comments below using the word price or cost. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!